This is a GCSE exam question about the use of microscopes. It says a student observed slides of an onion cell using a microscope. Figure 2 shows two of the slides the student observed. And we've got slide A, slide B. So we can, looking at slide A, we can clearly see that it's high magnification. But it's not clear. I've got a blurred image. So a blurred image will mean that it's got low resolution. It's not in focus. Slide B, we can see a lot more cells. So it's a lower magnification. But the image is clear. So it's in focus. Right, the question then says the cells on the slides are not clear to see. And there's different reasons why each of those images are not clear to see, as we've just described. 1.3 says, describe how the student should adjust the microscope to see the cells on slide A more clearly. So if we look at slide A, it's not about making the cells larger because this is already under high magnification. We can clearly see the cells are quite large under the microscope, but they are not in focus. So that's what we've got to do. We've got to turn the focus knob until the cells are in focus. We can't, and we don't want to be writing increased magnification. These cells are already under high magnification. That's not going to make it any clearer, making these cells larger. And it's not anything to do with resolution, because it's adjusting the microscope used for these cells. So therefore we can't change the resolution. If we change the microscope to electron microscope, we'd change the resolution, we'd increase it. So it's nothing about resolution, and it's nothing about illumination, more light. Adding more light is not going to cause that image to become clearer. Okay, the second part of the question then says, describe how the student should adjust the microscope to see the cells on slide B. Now this time, this is worth 2 marks. And if you look at slide B, it's under lower magnification, but the image is clear, so it's in focus. So it's not a case this time of focusing, rotating the focus knob. We now need to increase the magnification. So we get a mark for saying increase the magnification. And we do that by changing or rotating the objective lens. You can just say lens. You can say a more powerful magnification, but not zoom in, and not use an electron microscope. Because it's about this microscope that we're already using. Again, it's nothing to do with resolution, and it's nothing to do with illumination, more light. So we'll be needing those two marking points by increasing magnification and how we increase it by changing or rotating the lens. 2 marks.